Hey, what's up? Hey, I received my new pop-in veneers today, and I'm going to try them on the video. Now, first, I wanted to say thank you to Veneers because this is a real game changer for you, boy. See, as you can see, my teeth are pretty bad, but right now, I'm gonna change the game. Hold on 1 second. So it looked like these right here on my top. Now I only took liberty and took them out the packaging for the video. But I'm gonna stick them on. It popped in pretty smooth. That's looking pretty good. That's a halfway smile. Yeah, let's see, can we fix this bottom? Yep, it popped right in just like they say. You gotta tell me what you think about that smile now. It's 100% better. Thank you, Veneers.